Hi viewers, welcome to sizzlingbite.net. Today, let's see how to make instant pot fish biryani. Here we have 2 lbs of salmon, ginger garlic paste, biryani masala, chili powder and some lemon juice with yogurt. Now I am going to mix all these ingredients and marinate the fish. We have to marinate at least for 20 minutes. Marination helps the fish to absorb the flavors. Now I am going to add the fish and gently mix it. Now turn on your Instapot and keep it in your saute mode. Pour some oil and ghee into the Instapot and add the seasoning ingredients like bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. Then add sliced onions. Fry till it turns golden brown or for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the dill leaves and fry them for a couple of minutes. Keep on frying so that it doesn't get burnt. Now add the marinated fish. Add cilantro and mint leaves. Then add the soaked rice. Add water and then gently push the rice under water. Add about 2 spoons of salt and close the lid. Now close your Instapot and turn the pressure valve to sealing position. Set the Instapot to manual or pressure cook mode and set for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, do a quick release. Your instant pot fish biryani is ready. Garnish your fish biryani with cilantro and serve with raita and lemon. If you like the recipe, please comment and share. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to sizzlingbite.net.